How's it going, guys? Hello from Fifth Avenue. Well, it's not Fifth Avenue New York, US. It's a Fifth Avenue Cancun, Mexico. I don't know what to expect, to be honest, but yeah, let's have a look. Seems to be a famous street, so let's have a look. Vendors everywhere, every stop. Nice lovely shops all around. Yeah, it looks like a street market, similar to a street market or something. Nice big shops.
Ah, bueno, mija, ahí si lo miro te lo traigo.
Whoa, this is huge. Nice Spanish music, Mexican music.
No sabes lo que te haría.
Shoes. Everything you want, you can get here. No problem at all. They have everything for everyone. I want to buy myself a pair of flip-flops or something. It's really hot, and I do have a pair, but it really does hurt my legs for some reason. So I'm looking to buy a new pair of this. But because my size is really big, it's size 11, it's so hard to find that size here. And, oh look, this seems to be alright. What do you guys think? Or I should, I don't know, I'll have to think about it. Probably I will see the next store, you know, to see any other ones, how they look like. Right guys, I got myself a pair of Crocs. Here they are, pair of Crocs. £3.50. That's all it cost. Bargain. Right. Seems to be alright. Everything seems to be good. So yeah, not bad enough for a £3.50. It's a bargain, isn't it? So Crocs done.
I come from the Hotel Palladium.
Nah, we alright, yeah.
Coffee.
Yeah. Nah, I'm alright. Busy, loads of people. Let's go and see the beach, how the beach look like. Yeah, it's still rough sea. Oh, over there we got port and ferry over there. Yeah, the sea's quite rough. It's been rough for the last 2-3 days. Nice lovely shops all around. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything you want to buy you can find here. Souvenirs, loads of souvenirs if you want to take home for your loved ones. Well, let's go across there. Such a lovely place, really nice, amazing. I love it, I love it. Loads of shops. Got something really nice and interesting. Let me show you this. Let me show you that. You're gonna love it. Oh, that's the funny name of that. That's a really funny name. Oh God. Let me show you that. And you tell me in the comment section if you really like that name. Oh, it's so funny. Right, here you are. Welcome to the beach party. Dick and Willie's. beach party club. That's the amazing one, isn't it? Such a funny name, isn't it? Dick and Willies. Oh, that's an amazing name. All right, we got armed forces here. Hello.
Maybe?
No, I'm okay. I'm alright, bro. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah, taxi.
No, I'm alright, bro. I'm alright. Just joking. Lovely shops, isn't it? Yeah, I've seen a army forces all around here. So yeah, obviously that's for people's safety, because we all know what's about, you know. Someone just asked me if I want to buy weed. Well, no, I don't want to buy weed. I'm alright, thank you very much, you know. But yeah, it's good to see army forces all around here, because yeah, it makes you feel safe, isn't it? Easily you can spend all day here, easily just walking around and see the shops and everything, because there's loads to see anyway. More shops this way. Whoa, even more shops here. Leather store. Amazing store. No English.
How about something that you don't need?
Where you got that?
1 minute, look.
Where you got that?
Look, what's 1 minute? Welcome home, sir.
Right.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
England.
Yeah.
Try to open it, this box, please. Can you close the door for the air condition?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You wanna scare me or something?
Let me tell you the good part. This is the Mayan secret box.
Okay.
If you open it,
Yeah.
and in case if you like some here or outside, you get 60% off.
I know.
But just for fun,
I
let's
know.
see.
No.
4 moves with 3
No,
pieces.
I'm scared to open it.
Hey, don't be so
I'm
messy.
scared.
Okay,
No, I
take a
don't-
look. If you like some 50%.
Yeah, but I'm not wearing anything, you see.
No, but we have nice souvenirs.
Yeah,
too.
I know, but look, I have nothing on me. I'm not wearing them.
But we
So.
got nice souvenirs. Take a
Yeah,
look.
but they're hard to take in England, so yeah, they're nice, they're lovely. I'm not saying no, but yeah, it's quite hard for me to take them in England. You know, I don't want to get broken them or something. You know,
Usually that one is good quality because that's fish bone with resin.
I'm sure they are good qualities.
It's not easy to break it. That
But
one there,
yeah,
yes,
but-
that's not.
But yeah, what's the name of your store anyway?
The Mayan prince.
Look, the Mayan prince, guys. If you're around here, come here to the Mayan prince and have a look. He's got amazing stuff.
Thank you,
Cheers,
sir.
bro. What's your name?
Miguel.
Miguel.
See you. God
Take
bless,
care,
sir.
brother. God bless you, mate.
Next on the line, Papi.
2 seconds, bro. 2
Next
seconds.
on the line.
I know, bro. I know.
Let me show you something that you don't need.
I'll come back, bro. I'll come back. I'm going to the end of the street and I'm coming back.
Next year?
No, no, I'm coming back. Honestly, I come back. So yeah, everyone wants me to go into their shops, you know. I know they want to sell and stuff like that, but yeah, I'm not about buying anything. I'm just looking around and but it's funny, man. Anyway, guys, that's it for me for now. See you in the next one.